the new Perun 2 in custom green color. Absolutely fantastic. Hello and welcome to my gear channel. Hopefully you've come across from my landscape channel, Paul Compton PD Photography. If not, check that one out. I'm here to talk about this is what's on my head. It's the Olight Perun 2. They call it an enhanced power and hands-free convenience, and it definitely is. We've got a massive amount of power on my head. We've got, if I pull it up to maximum, look at that, this is daylight, and that is a super bright light. We've got 2,500 lumens on my head. It's got a maximum throw of 166 meters, which is massive if you're walking up in the hills like we are today. We're out in the hills. So let's have a look at some specs. What have I got on here with some specs? We have got, I'm going to go right to the beginning so I can see now. I'm going to have to take my glasses down a little bit so I can read all this because I'm not very good. So we've got a customized 4,000 milliamp rechargeable battery that comes with the camera. It's camera, I've got my camera out. Comes with the torch. It's inside the torch, and it gives you a maximum output of 2,500 lumens at 25% brightness, or 25% brighter than the Perun 1. Sorry. And you have to excuse me, I am dyslexic, so when I'm reading it takes a little bit of time to keep up with myself. We say we've got an MCC3 cable. The charging cable attaches to the end. It's a magnetic cable, comes in the box, and it literally does stick to the back of the thing. There's no plugging it in or anything. It literally, hold it near it, snap it, snaps on, and it charges. Absolutely fantastic. I love that charging system. Much easier than trying to poke a little USB cable in a tiny little hole in the dark. Where are we? Increasing the charging by 33%, and it does charge pretty quick. There's a little orange glow on the side when it's charging. It goes to green when it's fully charged. Built-in proximity sensor. So on the front of this, you can actually twist this up and down. There's no problem with spinning it around in this house. If I get close to you there, you can see on there's a little tiny black spot just there, and what that is, that's the proximity sensor. So when you've got this on full power like so, and you put your hand in front of it, it does actually turn the light down. You can see that it turns the light down. That's the proximity sensor, so you don't set fire to your bag and your pocket when it's inside your pocket. As you can see, the light's at a 45-degree angle. It's on my headlight, so if I tilt it down for you, it's at a 45-degree angle, and it comes with this nice little clip as well. So you can clip this on to your lapel, onto your backpack, onto your straps, and you can use it as a light without having the headband. It's a three-way headband as well, so it doesn't slip down over your eyes because there is a little bit of weight in it. It features a magnetic base, so this base is also magnetic. So if you're working on the van, you're working on the car, and you've got a flat tire and you're out at night, or you even got a little bit of metal on something, you can attach it to that and you can have a proper bit of light. I know I was reversing the van the other week and it was really, really dark behind me. So if I was to stick this on the back of the van, I'd get 2,500 lumens at the back of the van to be able to reverse it into space. So it's a really, really good idea for that. And it does really help with that hands-free working. Give you some specs. You've got a high, medium and low level. So at high level it's a 500 lumens, so you basically press it to turn it on once and then you keep your finger on it. So that's on the lowest setting, that is 30 lumens. Click it, oh, that's 30 lumens, sorry. Click it and hold it, it goes up to the next brightness. There's 120 lumens, that'll give you 18 hours of light. And then if you turn it up to the brightest setting, it's 500 lumens at 270 minutes, which is more than enough time to have a good walk around. If you double press, that takes it up to 2,500 lumens. It will stay like that for 2 minutes, and then it will drop down to 800 lumens for another 175 minutes. And the reason it doesn't stay up on full brightness is because obviously it gets warm. We got some sizes and measurements. I'll put those up on the screen for you. It's IPX8 waterproof as well, so that means you can have this out in the rain, you can drop it in water, you can use it if you're around near rivers and the sea and stuff like that, as long as you wash the salt water off. But it is waterproof and it will stay waterproof and will work. And it's also got a 1.5 meter drop resistance as well. So if I was to take this off now and throw it down on the floor and then pick it back up again, I know that it's still going to be working, and I'm not going to lose my torch just by knocking it off my head and dropping it. So now I've all hands everywhere, so let's put it back on my head. So yeah, it's really handy to know that it's got this drop resistancy as well, which is really good, because they're not the cheapest things and you don't want to be able to break them every time you drop them. Comes with a 5-year warranty, which is really, really good, from Olight, and I speak to Olight quite a lot and they really have got some good customer service. Perun 2 obviously comes with a battery, comes with a USB charger. It also comes with a lanyard, a user manual, and everything you want, and of course this nice headpiece. So if you're interested in one of these, I'm running a competition. I've got my old one, my Perun 2 that I was given back around Christmas time. It's a purple colour. I'm going to put it up on the screen for you next to you there so you can see it. I'm going to give it away completely free of charge because The only reason is because they sent me this green one and I like the green better than the purple, so I'm going to give the other one away. So I'm going to keep this one and I'm going to give the other one away. If you want it, you've got to take a screenshot of you sharing my video. You must share the video and you must give me a screenshot and put it on Instagram or on Facebook, and you can hashtag it with Paul Compton Perun 2. Okay, so it'll be across the screen now, all one word, hashtag Paul Compton Perun 2. Okay, you hashtag it like that in any format on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook or anything like that. When I go searching for them in a fortnight's time, I will find your link and I will find that you've taken a screenshot of sharing this video, and also drop me a comment and say you've done it. That will also help. Okay, so give it a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like and a share. Share it to anybody. If you click on the share button, you can go straight over and share it as well. That's another best way of doing it. Click on the little share button if you're watching this, and then it'll take you over to your other formats. And then yeah, you must hashtag it Paul Compton Perun 2, and then I'll just randomly pick a winner. Simple as that. That's all I want to say. Amazing landscape. If you want to see this landscape, if you want to see me doing photography down here, Paul Compton PD Photography, and I'll put a link somewhere in one of these top corners, and yeah, pop on over there and have a look. See you soon. Ciao for now. Don't forget, get yourself one of these Perun 2s. There is a link in the description, and there's also a discount code. I think my discount code is Paul Compton. Do you know what? I'll give up. I can't find it on my phone. So the link will be on the screen for you. If you want a discount code, get to use my code, and it'll also be in the description. Definitely go in. Ciao for now. See you soon. Bye bye. So here we are, we're back on the other camera now. We're back in the van, and I just wanted to just quickly show you the torch a little bit better, because I was up on the hill earlier on, wasn't I? So this is the actual torch that I'm going to be keeping, and this is the actual torch that I'm giving away. It's all in its little box. It's all packed away nicely inside here, or underneath inside there, should I say. I'm pulling all the box out now, aren't I? There it is, look, told you it's in there. So that's the one I'm giving away, the purple one. It's ever so nice, exactly the same as the green one, but the green one, like I say, I prefer the colour, so I decided to keep the green one. So there's the purple one. I will pack it all away properly for you, put it all back in the box, but I just quickly wanted to show you the strap. This is the strap it comes with. It's a three-way strap, so you get the one over the top of your head, because there's a little bit of weight and it just stops it from coming down on your head. And all you've got to do is literally just slide it in these loops, okay? So you slide it in these loops like that, and you've got yourself a torch attached to your head strap, okay, when it spins all the way around. And with it being a right angle as well, if you was to use the clip on the top, you can snap the clip on there like that, and you can clip it onto anything. You can clip it onto your camera bag, your belt, your zip, anywhere. You can attach it to you, and again, you've got the light on, and with it facing forwards, you've got a light actually in front of you to do stuff with your hands. Very, very good little torch. I think it's fantastic. 2,500 lumens. So like I say, if you want one, I've got the pink one or the purple one to give away. You've got to do what I said you've got to do earlier. Ciao. See you soon. Bye-bye.